Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 克 step by step. I will first write it in standard scripts, then follow in one word and one sentence. That's right. 克 to be able to overcome. For example, 克服 克服 try to overcome hardships. Overcome hardships. To put up with. Now check this sentence. However great the difficulties may be, we can overcome them. However great the difficulties may be, we can overcome them. 哪怕是再大的困难，我们也能克服。哪怕是再大的困难，我们也能克服。However great the difficulties may be, 哪怕是再大的困难，困难 difficulty 我们也能克服 we can overcome them. However great the difficulties may be, we can overcome them. 哪怕是再大的困难，我们也能克服。克 in cursive. 克 to be able to overcome. 克服 try to overcome hardships. To put up with. However great the difficulties may be, we can overcome them. 哪怕是再大的困难，我们也能克服。克 Please comment any words or sentence with the character 克. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.